This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Parmesan cheese. First, you'll need about 10 gallons of fresh, unpasteurized cow's milk. Gently heat the milk to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is crucial for the next step. Once heated, add your rennet, which helps the milk solidify. Let the mixture sit undisturbed for approximately 45 minutes. This allows a firm curd to properly form, setting the stage for your delicious cheese. After the curd has set, it's time to cut it into very small pieces, roughly 1/4 of an inch. This increases the surface area, allowing whey to escape. Next, slowly raise the temperature of the curds and whey to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. This process, called cooking the curds, helps to further expel moisture. Remember to stir continuously for about 60 minutes to ensure even heating and prevent the curds from sticking together. Once cooked, carefully gather the curds into a large cheesecloth, forming a single mass. Transfer this mass into a round cheese mold, which will give your Parmesan its characteristic wheel shape. Now, it's time for pressing. Apply about 40 pounds of weight to the cheese for a full 24 hours. This pressing helps to expel more whey and compact the curds, creating a dense, firm cheese texture. After pressing, the cheese wheel needs a salt bath. Submerge it in a 20% brine solution for 20 days. This brining process adds flavor and helps preserve the cheese. Finally, the aging begins. Store your Parmesan at 55 degrees Fahrenheit with 85% humidity for a minimum of 12 months, though longer is often better for deeper flavor. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.